What's up, guys? Look what we got here today. This is the brand new Glock 34. Looking good on the outside. Let's see what's on the inside. Brand new Glock 34 in FDE, I believe the color of the frame. So we have the gun itself, some back straps in different sizes, 17 round magazine with 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, and with the magazine loader. And we have some of this, what is this, bore brush, which I will not be using most likely, and this is the disassembly tool, I believe. Okay, let's see. And this is the Glock 34 with that cutout. So this is, the frame actually is the same size, identical to Glock 17, but the slide is about an inch and a quarter longer. Factory Glock sights, plastic sights, which I'll probably be switching to fiber optic sights. Probably the front sights, I'll change it, but the rear sight I could probably black them out. Brand new Glock 34, guys.